Hi ladies, how often do you make up? Once a month, once a week, or every day? Appearance is a vital factor in a person's life. On a daily basis, people perform the same routine to make their appearance more attractive. Makeup is also one of these routines. With a few easy steps, you can apply makeup and look more attractive. You should start off by gathering cosmetics such as foundation, concealer, powder, eyeshadow, mascara, blusher, and the last one, lipstick. After gathering them, you can begin the beautifying process. The first step you should do is to moisturize your skin and lips. After that, put foundation over the eyelids, concealer under the eyes, and around the nostrils. The third step is to use just a bit powder on a large powder brush to take away the shine but leave a healthy sheen. Then apply an eyeshadow on the eyes. Ombre shadow goes across the lid from the lash line to slightly beyond the iris. Work with a minimal amount of product on a large shadow brush. It is time to curl the lashes and apply mascara from bottom to top. If your brows have thin areas, those are filled in with a brow pencil. And then brows are brushed through with the spoolie and softened and blend. After the brows, apply a pink powder blush with a blush brush on the apples of your cheeks. Then dust cheeks with powder to blend all the edges. The last step is to apply a lipstick with a lip brush to the mouth. Now you are ready. Here is the result, a perfect makeup. By following these steps, you can easily apply it. It takes only 10 minutes.